Hello students, we are studying the topic halogen derivatives. In the halogen derivatives, first of all, we studied the definition of halogen derivatives. After that, we studied its classification in detail. Then, in previous lecture, we studied the nomenclature system in case of both alkyl halides and arenals. In the nomenclature system, we studied both common system as well as IUPAC system. Later on, we studied the preparation methods of alkyl halides. After studying preparation methods with various reactions or various examples, we studied the next article, and that article was properties of alkyl halides. So among properties, we studied the nature of intermolecular forces, then solubility and boiling point, etc. Today, we are going to study the next article, and that article it is chemical reactions or chemical properties of alkyl halides. So let's study chemical properties of alkyl halides as well as haloarenes. So under this article, first of all, let's study the laboratory test of haloalkanes. Under the chemical properties, firstly, we are going to study laboratory test of haloalkanes. So in any organic compound, halogen can be detected by a test. In that test, on warming haloalkanes with NaOH or KOH, halogen in haloalkane is converted into halide ion. In aqueous medium, haloalkanes are neutral. So alkyl halide on warming with base like NaOH or KOH. So here base like NaOH or KOH. Then this halogen atom from alkyl halide is replaced by OH from NaOH or KOH, and the byproduct form it will be NaX or KX. So in ionic state, this reaction it can be represented as alkyl halides when comes in contact with NaOH or KOH. The nucleophile OH minus from base, it replaces the halogen from alkyl halide in the form of halide, and replacement of this X it is taken by OH group. So thus in this reaction X is replaced by X is replaced by nucleophile OH minus. Therefore, we can say that this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, because halogen atom is replaced by nucleophile OH minus. So when this reaction mixture is acidified by adding dilute HNO3 and by adding AgNO3 solution, here the precipitate of silver halide is formed. So in this reaction, the formation of precipitate, or if precipitate is obtained, then definitely it confirms the presence of halogen atom in the original compound. So to this reaction mixture, when dilute HNO3 and AgNO3 is added, the precipitate of silver halide is formed, and if precipitate of silver halide is formed, then it indicates the presence of halogen atom in the compound. So here Ag plus from silver nitrate, it combines with halide ion, and when these two combines with each other, formation of silver halide precipitate takes place. So this Ag plus ion, it is in the aqueous state. Here this is also in the aqueous state, and here the precipitate of silver halide is formed. So this is the laboratory test of haloalkanes. So after studying laboratory test of haloalkanes, now we are going to study the next article. That article, it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. So let's study the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. So first of all, let's try to understand the meaning of substitution reaction. So substitution reactions are nothing but these are the reaction in which an atom or group of atom is replaced by other atom or group of atom. So substitution reaction, it is one of the type of reaction, and in such reaction an atom or group of atom is replaced by other atom or group of atoms. So in such reaction, the state of hybridization of carbon atom, it does not changes, or in other words we can say that there is no change. There is no change in the state of hybridization. There is no change in the state of hybridization of carbon atom. So during the substitution reaction, there is no change takes place in the state of hybridization of carbon atom. So take this example. So when alkyl halide, it is reacted with nucleophile, that is Y, then there will be the formation of RY product takes place with formation of halide ion. So in this reaction, this X, that is halogen from alkyl halide, is replaced by this nucleophile. So that's why we can say that this is the example of substitution reaction. So the CX bond which is present, in alkyl halide, it is polar in nature. CX bond present in alkyl halide is polar in nature. So CX bond in alkyl halide is polar in nature because the halogen atom is most electronegative. That's why the shared pair of electron from this carbon of alkyl halide and halogen atom, it is gets slightly shifted towards this X. That's why this X, it gets small negative charge, and this carbon, it becomes positively charged. That's why the CX bond in alkyl halide is polar in nature. So when such alkyl halide comes in contact with, so this carbon having a delta positive charge, this X having a delta minus charge. So when it comes in contact with this nucleophile, so nucleophile, it is the negatively charged species, and it gets attack on this positively charged carbon, and here this species is formed. So here carbon atom, and here this X, it is replaced by this nucleophile, and this X, it is replaced in the form of halide ion. Thus, alkyl halide reacts with variety of nucleophiles to give nucleophilic substitution reactions. So alkyl halide reacts with nucleophile to give various nucleophilic substitution reactions. So let's study the reactivity order. Let's study the reactivity order of alkyl halides in such reactions. It depends upon two factors: reactivity order of alkyl halides. It depends upon two factors. First one, it is the nature of carbon, and second one, it is the nature of halogen. So reactivity order of alkyl halide in various reaction, it depends upon two factors. First one, it is the nature of carbon, and second one is the nature of halogen. Let's study the nature of carbon. How the reactivity order, it depends upon the nature of carbon. So it is observed that in such reactions, tertiary alkyl halides, it reacts fastly as compared to secondary, while as compared to primary. So such order of reactivity we will discuss in detail while studying SN1 reaction and SN2 reactions. Then reactivity order of alkyl halide, it also depends upon another factor, and that factor is nature of halogens. So on this basis, the reactivity order of alkyl halide is alkyl iodide having greater reactivity than alkyl bromide and then alkyl chloride. So alkyl iodide, it reacts fastly as compared to alkyl bromide as compared to alkyl chloride. So the reason behind it is bond length. So bond length between carbon of alkyl group and iodide is maximum. Therefore, bond dissociation energy is less. That's why alkyl iodide, it reacts fastly as compared to alkyl bromide as compared to alkyl chloride. So this is the reactivity order of alkyl halides. Thank you.